The logarithmic properties that we'll need to use to expand this are the product rule, quotient rule, and power rule. And so we might need to use any combination of those rules in order to expand this. We can start right away and see that we have a quotient, a division in there. So we'll start by using the quotient rule and take the log base 5 of the top, which is square root of x, minus the log base 5 of the bottom, which is 25y cubed. And then we need to look to see if we can expand any further. In that first term, we can rewrite the square root of x as x to the 1/2 power. By the definition of the fraction exponents, x to the 1/2 is equal to the square root of x. But writing it that way will allow us to use the power rule in the next step. And the second term, we have another product. We have 25 times y cubed. And so we want to go ahead and use the product rule on that part to split it up as log base 5 of 25 plus log base 5 of y cubed. Now putting the parentheses around there is very important because of that minus sign that's in front of that log base 5 of 25y cubed. That minus applies to that entire term. So when we split that term up into a sum, we still need to be subtracting off that entire sum. So in other words, we're going to have to distribute that negative. Okay, as we do that, we do have a power here in our first term, so we can use that power rule, bring that power out in front. It's 1/2 log base 5 of x minus log base 5 of 25 minus, and again we have a power in that last term, so we can pull that out in front. So 3 times log base 5 of y. And now there's one additional step in this problem, and that is due to the fact that we can simplify or actually evaluate this middle term. Log base 5 of 25 is asking us to find the power to which 5 can be raised to get 25. So 5 to what power is 25? 5 to the second power is 25. So log base 5 of 25 is just 2. And you might prefer to rearrange your terms there so that your constant term comes on the end, but in any case this is still equivalent, so that is fine.